Okay, ji, boys and girls and all the participants in this meeting, as you know that due to the shortage in the electricity, we could not continue the lecture. So we are restarting it from the place where we have left. So this was the 14th sentence which we have done. The teacher said, "Whose book is it?" The teacher asked, "Whose this book was?" So this was the sentence we last done. We last done it. So this is number 15. I have written on the board. Now you are going to do this or to understand the sentence how it goes into indirect. So the teacher asked means the teacher said means the teacher asked. As you know that there is no second person pronoun, यहाँ पर you नहीं है second person, so you do not need to write the first person pronoun, first person ऑब्जेक्टिव प्रोनाउन है। आपको यहाँ पे फर्स्ट पर्सन यानी मी लिखने की जरूरत नहीं है। द टीचर सेड, द टीचर आस्क्ड, देन हु is used as a relative pronoun. The teacher asked who the author is changed into past, that is was, of that book. As I have told you that these kind of sentences जिसमें आखिर पे in this kind of sentences जिनमें आखिर में या sentence के दरमियान में इस तरह का format use हो, so they are changed into indirect in both the ways. Who the author was of that book, who the author of that book was. So was, the helping verb may come at after the subject, or it may come after the or it may come at the last of the sentence, as we have done it in the earlier sentence. पहले वाले में भी हमने ऐसे ही किया था. So in this case ये दोनों तरह से हो सकता है. Who the author was of that book, who the author of that book was, because the author of that book was ये एक ही sequence में भी एक ही representation में भी इस्तेमाल हो सकते हैं, as they may be the subject of that sentence. So in this way the sentence can be done in indirect speech. Okay, the stranger said, which is the way to the Shalimar Garden? The stranger asked. इसमें भी देखें the second person you is not here, so आपको जरूरत नहीं है कि आप यहाँ पर me लिखें. The stranger asked, he may ask any one of the person. So इसलिए क्योंकि specify नहीं किया, you नहीं लिखा हुआ, so you do not need to write the first person me here. The stranger asked which was or which the way was. Which the way, हमने पहले भी ये आपको मैंने बताया है that we have to put this subject before the helping verb, so that we may change this sentence from interrogative to affirmative sentence. हमने जैसे यहाँ पर is था, मैंने यहाँ पर is नहीं लिखा, उसकी वजह ये है कि मैंने सब्जेक्ट को इससे पहले लाना है. जैसे इस सेंटेंस में मैंने was को बाद में ले गया हूँ ऑथर के. द रीजन इज कि मैंने इसको इंट्रोगेटिव से अफर्मेटिव या पॉजिटिव सेंटेंसेस में चेंज करना. इस वजह से, क्योंकि मैंने इसको क्वेश्चन नहीं रहने देना. क्वेश्चन में ये होता है कि WH वर्ड के फौरन बाद हेल्पिंग वर्ब आता है, लेकिन बिकॉज आई हैव टू चेंज दैट इन अफर्मेटिव सेंटेंस, तो इसलिए मैंने was को या हेल्पिंग वर्ब को बाद में ले जाना है. इस सेंटेंस में भी सेम ऐसा ही है कि मैंने जो द वे है, दैट इज द सब्जेक्ट ऑफ दिस सेंटेंस, इसको पहले ले आना है इससे, क्योंकि मैंने इसको पॉजिटिव बनाना है. विच द वे टू द शालीमार गार्डन वॉज. या इस तरह भी कर सकता हूं, which the way was to the, मैंने कहा था कि दोनों तरीके से कर सकते हैं. So in this way we can make it in both the ways, Shalimar Garden or garden. Actually this word may should be gardens actually, because this is a group of garden. Shalimar Gardens जो है वो word है, लेकिन बहरहाल that is written here garden. So the stranger asked which the way was to the Shalimar Garden. Was हमने the way के बाद ले आए because हमने इसको affirmative बना दिया है, positive बना दिया है. तो ये चीजें जो हैं, you have to be very keen and careful about these you can say things or changing, so that you can make the sentence in a correct way. तो आपको ये चीजें बड़ी ध्यान से करनी पड़ेंगी ताकि आप इसको, because if the helping verb is before the subject, that makes it or it contains it as इंट्रोगेटिव सेंटेंस, ये इसको क्वेश्चन ही रहने देता है. अगर was इससे पहले ही रखें हम तो इसको क्वेश्चन ही रहने देता है. इन दिस वे द सेंटेंस इज नॉट करेक्ट. सो द मैनेजर सेड, द नेक्स्ट सेंटेंस इज द मैनेजर आस्क्ड. So in this sentence we have this second person, so we can use as first person objective, me as an object. The manager asked me how I do refers to present indefinite, and this sentence will change into past indefinite. So when we change it into past indefinite, we do not use do or did. हम इसको do या did में इस्तेमाल नहीं करेंगे, but we have to change it into past indefinite as second form. So this is proposed to solve that problem. And the last sentence is changed into in this way, the boy asked. इसमें भी me इस्तेमाल होगा because you is here. The boy asked me what. Same tense is used here in this as in this sentence. यहाँ पे present है, यहाँ भी present था, so we have to change it into past. और past में जब affirmative में change करेंगे, so we have to use the second form of the verb. What I, you is changed into I, then past wanted second form of the verb, wanted him to do. So in this way, the boy asked me what I wanted him to do is the sentence in indirect speech. Now the remaining two sentences, you will make them or change them into indirect speech at your homes, and this lecture is over. The time is running short because the next lecture is waiting for you. So in this way, today we are off, and you will do these two sentences at your home, and we will meet with another exercise or another thing on Monday. For today, Allah Hafiz, and keep practicing these changings in your sentences so you can better understand the ways to change the speech. Okay, ji, Allah Hafiz. If you have any question, I may see. So this is a question. Okay, this is not a question at all. Okay, ji, Allah Hafiz.